Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this channel we are going to discuss different concepts in chemistry. Today we are going to discuss a concept in inorganic chemistry in the topic organometallic chemistry. The concept is determination of structure of high nuclearity carbonyl clusters, that is HNCC. The carbonyl clusters are of two types, LNCC and HNCC, that is low nuclearity carbonyl clusters and high nuclearity carbonyl clusters. The difference between them is low nuclearity carbonyl clusters contain less number of metal atoms, 4 or less than 4, and here in HNCC number of metal atoms are 5 or greater than 5. Okay, now here today we are going to see how to determine the structure of these carbonyl clusters. Okay, if the carbonyl clusters they are containing more than 5 or 5 metal atoms, then how to calculate their structures, how to determine their structures, that we are going to see today. Okay, there are several steps through which we can calculate a certain number, and by using that number we can determine the structure of particular carbonyl cluster. We are going to see that steps. The first step is calculation of total electron count, that is TEC. Here we are going to calculate the total electrons that are involved in the particular carbonyl cluster formation. Now second point, TEC plus valence electrons for interstitial atom. That is, certain carbonyl clusters they are containing interstitial atoms such as hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus. Okay, now if certain carbonyl clusters they contain the interstitial atom, then we have to add the electrons, valence electrons of these interstitial atoms also. And if it do not contain any interstitial atom, then we have to skip this step number 2. Now the step number 3 is polyhedral electron count calculation, that we are also calling it as PEC. Now there is a formula to calculate this PEC. This PEC is equal to TEC minus N into 12. Now here this TEC, again this is nothing but the total electron count, minus N is nothing but the number of metal atoms. Okay, now this is our third step. In fourth step, the PEC is divided by 2. Certain number we will get, and if that number it is N minus 1, then the structure is supercloso. If it is equal to N, that is if it is equal to number of metal atoms, then the structure is hypercloso. If it is N plus 1, then closo. If it is N plus 2, then nido, N plus 3, then arachno, N plus 4, then hypho, and N plus 5, then clado. Okay, in this way, by calculating the PEC count, we can determine the structures of particular HNCC complex. Okay, now we will see certain examples so that you can solve the problems based on this topic. Now here I had taken this carbonyl cluster, and actually this problem is asked in NET December 2014. This is a very important concept from NET point of view also. This is a question asked in the exam. This carbonyl cluster they have given, and we have to determine its structure. Again we will go through the steps. The first step is TEC, total electron count. We will calculate the total electron count for this complex. Now here cobalt has the 9 valence electrons, and 4 cobalt atoms are present in this cluster. That is why we will write here 4 into 9 plus 12 carbonyl atoms, ligands are present, and each carbonyl ligand will give 2 electrons. That is why 2 into 12, and overall answer will come out to be 60. Therefore our total electron count for this metal carbonyl cluster will come out to be 60 electrons. Now we will go towards the PEC. Now in this complex there is absence of interstitial atom. The interstitial atoms such as carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen is not present. That is why we will skip the step number 2. Now step number 3, it is PEC, polyhedral electron count. The formula is TEC minus N into 12. Now TEC we have calculated here 60 minus N is number of metal atoms, it is 4, therefore 4 into 12. The answer will be 12. Now this 12 is divided by 2, so that we will get the answer 6, and here number of metal atoms, that is 4, and if you add 2 then it will come out to be 6. Therefore our complex or carbonyl cluster will have a nido structure. Okay, as we had written all that N1 plus N2 like that. Okay, now we will see the second problem. This is the second problem. We have to determine the structures of these two complexes, and actually this problem is asked in the December 2019 NET exam. This is very important concept, as I earlier said to you. This is the ion complex. First we will calculate the electron count for this complex. First we have to calculate the total electron count for this complex. Ion, valence electrons of ion is 8, and as 5 ion atoms are present, here we will write 8 into 5 plus 14 carbonyl ligands, therefore 14 into 2, each carbonyl will give 2 electrons. Now in this complex, the nitrogen acting as a interstitial atom, and nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, that is why we will write here 5, and this complex, overall charge on this complex, it is -1, that is why we will add here +1. If the charge on the complex is +1, then we will do here -1, and therefore the total electron count, the answer will come out to be 74 electrons. Now from this we have to calculate PEC. I have substituted this TEC value in this formula, and answer will be 14. Now this PEC divided by 2, it is 14 divided by 2, it is 7 electrons, and if you see the number of metal atoms, that is 5, and N, if you add 2 then it will come out to be 7. Therefore our system will be N plus 2 system, and the structure of the particular carbonyl cluster is nido structure. Here second complex, it contains 6 cobalt atoms. Therefore to calculate the total electron count for this particular atom, we will write here 9, which is the valence electrons of cobalt, and 6 cobalt atoms are present, therefore 9 into 6 plus 13 carbonyl ligands into 2, each carbonyl will give 2 electrons. Now again here nitrogen will be acting as an interstitial atom, therefore 5 valence electrons of nitrogen we have to add here, and again overall charge on the complex is -1, that is why we will add 1 electron, and overall total electron count answer will be 86. From this we will calculate PEC. PEC is equal to this TEC minus N into 12. We will replace the values so that the answer will come out to be 14. It is 14, and PEC by 2, it is 14 by 2 is equal to 7, and here the number of metal atoms are 6, and our answer is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7, that is why N plus 1, our system is N plus 1, that is Closio, and our answer is this, it is nido Closio. Okay, in this way we can determine the structure of HNCC carbonyl clusters. Okay, thank you.